CCTV
Kiborsenshar Jongribhoi District Hakar Pulai Truk Lalingkot Arajar Punriu. Clarake ke National Voters Day Hasiket House Jong ke DC Office ke Badan Hanongpo. Kumban Cipintip Hangni Bea ke National Voters Day Lajuraki Hakar Pusantrik Lalingkot Mana Snem. Hindra ia ke program la penlong Hakar Pulai Truk Lalingkot Namar Bakar Pusantrik Lalingkot Arajar Punriu Kahap Hakasngi Ublay. Hagan ke jingalang leishun bintalang da ke addition deputy commissioner ke Boy district ke kong Birani ke belalong kum ke kongsan ringkat ke jingalang UBDO ke umling Sien di blok uba Eric bar kiwe ke belasam ki electors photo identity card syaki Samla ke bela Kynjoh kat Snem karta. Ha ke penkut no ke jingrakhe ke National Voters Day la penlong pat sia ke rally hapo ke Mera Yuva Bharat Riboy.
Being a Sunday, we have gotten the permission and approval to organize this program today on the 23rd of January. For all the BLOs, I think this is not a new day, this is not a new program. They've all been familiar with this one, but to the new gathering, to the new first-time voters, I would like to welcome you to this arena where you are now a full-time participant of democracy. As we know, we have a country which is also known as the biggest democracy in the world. We have a population of more than 1 billion people, and we have a population of people under 35 years of age. We have about 65% of people in India who are below 35 years of age. So the new voters today, you have become a full-fledged citizen today, because when we talk about vote, when we talk about the right of the people to vote, we also have to remind ourselves that voting is not just a right, it is also a responsibility. So the Election Commission of India has established or has endeavored to bring an awareness to all the citizens who are eligible to vote the importance of the National Voters' Day. In its vision and in its endeavor to garner more participation from our young people, the National Voters' Day, I would like to tell you, was first established in 2011, where we had celebrated the participation or the coming of the first-time voters. So today we can see quite a number, and I would like to congratulate all the BLO who has been able to mobilize the first-time voters to come and collect your epic today. As I was sitting here, I was listening to the song, which is so patriotic, and thank you once again to the Lakai group. They've always been ready to entertain us, to add color and poems and ceremony to a small program over here with the talent. Thank you once again. And I believe that most of you who have come today, the first-time voters, have also participated in the on-the-spot extempore speech competition in the country today, because you have the courage, you have the chance, you have the power to change the condition of your living, the change condition of your country by exercising your vote, which I have told you from the beginning, it's not just a right. Voting is also a responsibility. So I would not like to take so much time, but I'd just like to remind once again to everyone present here, from our officers, the election team, our BLO, to work tirelessly to encourage people to come forward, to participate, to enroll.
Thank you.